Joanna Couch. I am the soap gal. Today, it is Christmas in July. Yes, I know it seems like it's 6 months away until Christmas, but we gotta think of this stuff because we have to get our soap done so we can take pictures of it and package it and send pictures to people if we want them to put our soap in magazines or whatever we're going to do. We need to get our supply ready so that way we are prepared for our amazing Christmas season. And the only way we're gonna have our soap ready in time to start selling it for Christmas is if we start making it in July. So what are some of the soaps that we can make for Christmas? Well, we can do Christmas coal, which I have done for so many years. And how I would do Christmas coal is I would add activated charcoal to my soap, and I would have it to smell like peppermint or tea tree. And I'd do a little verbiage that would say, Santa says for you to clean up your act with, put your company name there, soap. And it's really cute, and you can make a cute label. You can do that, or you can do something with, you know, the smell of frosted birch or campfire, or there's so many different scents. But today we are going to be making double mint. We're going to be making peppermint and spearmint, mixing them together, and let's get started. So the first thing that I have already done is I've lined our mold. Actually, Justin lined our mold. Thank you, Justin. And then we have master batched our oil. So we have our 42 pounds of oil. Our oils, which we used our master batch of oils, and we just subtract it from the scale. And then we put that in our Kindle. So we have olive oil, coconut, and castor. That is my blend. And then we have to, we master batched our oil or our lye already, and so it's 50-50. We have, 1 part water and 1 part lye. And then we have already measured out our goat's milk, which we have 9 pounds of goat's milk, and we have our 25 ounces of peppermint and spearmint split 50-50, and our sodium lactate and our peppermint and jojoba beans, our red jojoba beans, for some color in this bar of soap. So let me put on my safety, and we're going to measure out our lye solution. So we're going to turn on the scale, and we need 12 pounds of lye. So I like to run my lye through a funnel. And so we're going to weigh out our lye. So this is probably about 6 pounds. 7, and let's weigh out some more because we need 12. And what's so great about master batching your lye is that it's available when you just want to start making soap. So you're able to just be creative and make soap. So I got a little bit too much. You don't want it to become really heavy. Okay, I'm perfect. So I'll set this out of the way. Add our sodium lactate to our lye. And then we're going to start adding our ingredients. Peppermint and spearmint. Our goat's milk. And this is raw, local farm goat's milk. And then we're going to mix that up. So now we're going to add in our lye solution. And then we're going to start mixing again. Since we are at a light trace, we are going to add our additives. So our additives for this soap is our organic peppermint and our jojoba beans. I got the peppermint from Star West Botanicals and the jojoba beans from Brambleberry. Thank you, Anna Marie. So now I'm going to stir them in. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Oh, it feels like Christmas. I need some Christmas music. You guys all want to put in comments of like, what's your favorite holiday thing that you do? I mean, going caroling or having hot cocoa and watching Christmas Vacation, or what is your favorite holiday, you know, bring family together activities that you do? Isn't that pretty? So pretty. I love the way that the jojoba beans look with the peppermint. And this is an all-natural bar. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so please definitely put that in comments of what do you do as a family for the holidays. I get so excited for Christmas for two reasons. One, I know I'm going to be able to make soap like crazy, and I absolutely love making soap. And I get to see Christmas lights, and I get to bake with my mom, and it's just, woo, I just can't wait for Christmas. It's my favorite holiday, and most importantly, it's close to my birthday, and also it means I have my anniversary with my husband on December 7th. So I mean, the whole month from November 30th to the 25th is just amazing. I just love Christmas. Okay, so let's get pouring. Okay, so we're going to take this amazing peppermint and spearmint soap, and we're going to pour it into our block mold. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. What other type of additives do you use in your soap? That's another good question that you can put in the comments. We're all here to learn from each other. That's why I'm making these videos, is I want you guys to learn about what we do in order to scale up. It's so important for all of us soapers to scale up. Okay, now we're gonna scrape with our shower scraper. It really gets everything out of the kennel. Get all those jojoba beans. So pretty. And I used 1 ounce of jojoba beans and a ½ ounce of peppermint. Okay, there she goes. All right, so now how do we clean this kennel? It's very simple. Let me show you. Now that's ready. We'll let it sit for 48 hours and then we'll cut it. So what we do is we come over to the sink, and this right here is just a hose, I think, for a washing machine and a garden sprayer, and we just wash it out. This is no longer oil. Saponification is happening, so it is now soap. See all the suds in my water? It's soap. And it smells so good. Woo! expensive with all that peppermint and spearmint. So after I get some water, then I just take a rag and I wipe off all the edges and sides and just clean it really good with the soap that's in there. And then a 5-gallon bucket, and empty it into a 5-gallon bucket, and then that's all she wrote. And that's how I clean this kennel. Dry it out and make some more soap. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you love my videos, please subscribe. But you'll see me again. I'm Joanna Couch, the Soap Gal.